Hey, chat. Always remember, every day above ground is a blessing. What I say? Every day above ground is a blessing. So, chat, Jamaican people, guess what? Eh? Guess what, Jamaican people? Vybz Kartel introduced Shatta Wale to Jamaica, right? Then us, the fans, became fans of Shatta Wale, right? But guess what? Shatta Wale, on God, is now on Billboard number 35. So you see how powerful Jamaicans are? Eh? You see how powerful Jamaicans are? That's why we need to love each other and live, love, and laugh. So Shatta Wale, congrats on entering the Billboard. Okay? Yes. Shatta Wale, I want to say congrats for entering the Billboard charts, being at number 35. Yes. You see the powers of Vybz Kartel? Eh? Vybz Kartel introduced Shatta Wale to Jamaica. Jamaica fell in love with Shatta Wale. Yes. Jamaicans fell in love with Shatta Wale. And right now, Shatta Wale enters the Billboard chart and he's at number 35. Shatta Wale, I am telling you, congrats. Because guess what? I only listen to Shatta Wale in Africa. Yep. Only listen to Shatta Wale in Africa. So congrats, my brother. Big up yourself. I'm out.
Dancehall beat, we recognize Shatta Wale. So I don't know why so much people from Ghana be like Shatta underground artist and this and that. Like you never hear Beyonce song King already. Eh? Shine already. The Vybz Kartel say Shatta Wale is king of the continent of Africa dancehall music. Y'all people need to stop. You know, I notice some of them people from Ghana, the bad mind Jamaican people, then come from some of them bad mind Ghana people. Yeah, some people from Ghana, them bad mind. Yeah, cause my timeline not stop be flooded with some bad mind Ghana people. You understand? Whatever Stone Boy wanna say, whatever Shatta wanna say, it doesn't matter. Get that thing in on the head sort out. You understand? No Busta Rhymes. The way all Busta Rhymes, yo, no sir, Busta Rhymes have made fun of thing like this. Voila, it's mad sick. I'm here watching everything on TikTok. And then Skeng him. Sometimes I wonder where Skeng get that energy there from. And Vybz Kartel doing thing committing. Vybz Kartel with all tired whole heap of time, but that man me has to send up on the stage the whole time. So regardless, the man delivered. That's what we want to see. You understand?
Yes, this year. Don't be surprised.
Blessings.
Shatta Wale, he did a great job.
Yeah.
Great performance. The people them accept him. The people them love him. Yo, when yo, they were saying Shatta Wale. Yes, for me that for pull it up and say, Wheel! Shatta Wale, big him up, you know, and it was great having Shatta Wale here.
Blessings.
The whole Freedom Street, the whole team, we love him.
Blessings.
Shatta Wale, big up because the people them love you. It was a warm welcome. And we love to have you back in Jamaica. And we know we're going to have you back in Jamaica. So big up Shatta Wale, the king in a dance all over Ghana. Yo.
Thank you so much, MC Nafi. Because of time, we can't continue this conversation. But we'll find time. And have a very lengthy conversation with you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me. Ghana, when I go see nothing, big up on yourself, Shatta Wale. Yo.
All right. Before you go, what will be the message to the entire Ghanaian population? What would be the message as a Jamaican? What would you tell your brothers and sisters in Ghana?
My brothers and sisters in Ghana, I want to speak to you. All we need to do is live in love, peace, and harmony, and stop hating each other. Live for each other. Let us come together and be as one. Ghana, Jamaica, Jamaica, Ghana. Ghana and the world and Ghana. Ghana people, MC Nothing, love you all. We love you from the bottom of our heart. Ghana, you don't know. We are Ghana and Ghana are we. So I'm sending this message to the Ghanaian people. Just live as one, love each other. Stop the hate, stop the killing, stop the violence. Just live in love. And it's coming from MC Nothing. Ghana, see you soon. I know you're gonna see me. Yo, I'm ready.
All right, MC Nafi. I think we can do some more. So please don't go yet. I want to ask you about other Ghanaian dancehall artists you know about. I know it's not just Shatta Wale who's doing dancehall in Ghana. So how many other dancehall artists in Ghana do you know of?
We know Stone Boy too, so big up Stone Boy. I know Stone Boy too.
Blessings.
So big up Stone Boy, and Stone Boy always in Jamaica. You understand?
Yeah.
And we know every artist have them time where them come around and everything. So big up Stone Boy in a Ghana too, just the same. So big up Stone Boy, a bad artist, tough artist. Stone Boy. Yeah man, Stone Boy a bad artist, you know, because remember say we have more than one entertainer in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So big up Stone Boy and a tough artist, bad artist, great artist. I will love and respect every artist. You get me I deal with? But you know at the moment, the people in Jamaica, they're ready to see Shatta Wale there, so they love. So you know it's not like they don't not love Stone Boy too. They love him. You understand? So big up Stone Boy and the rest. Because them me know mostly Stone Boy and Shatta Wale, but big up both of them same way. But you don't know each to them time and every man have them time. But at the moment now, you know the people must say, yeah, Shatta Wale, you know them love him song and we want to say, well, sit down about your doku, yeah, bad.
All right, I want to ask you.
Bigger than God, you know I am.
Yeah, blessings on God.
Nobody bigger than God.
Oh, I want you to sing that.
If you look, you know.
Can you sing that song? On God, can you sing it? Can you sing some lines in that song?
As me tell you, say, I want to with me not to penetrate, but that song is bad. I like the rhythm and I like what he's saying.
Blessings.
You understand?
Blessings.
Yes, so me not remember all of the lines. But trust me, the two person who bringing dancehall in Ghana is Shatta Wale and Stone Boy. So big up both of them.
Blessings.
You understand?
Blessings.
And them stick to dancehall same way. So big up both of them. You know what I mean?
I want
the
to
moment now,
MC.
the moment you know it's Shatta Wale moment, so you have to big him up.
Blessings. I want to ask you about one incident that happened during Shatta Wale's performance. It's been a big talking point in our country here, and I want to find out what the people of Jamaica also think about that small incident. The moment Shatta Wale went on his knees and big Vybz Kartel up. What are the people in Jamaica also saying about that?
Nothing, man. The people them not saying, man. The people them must say, well, Shatta Wale respect Vybz Kartel. So, Shatta Wale have a culture in his country where they go on their knees. Nothing, and nothing big where like any disrespect. He's showing the respect and the love, and Vybz Kartel respect it and tell him say, General, I'm music, man. You don't have to do it. But you know when listen, I rate Vybz Kartel, you know. I have other people who rate and respect Vybz Kartel, you know. So Shatta Wale respect Vybz Kartel. So I'm sure him say, yo, you're the father of the music. Like how people rate Bounty Killer. You're the godfather. So I'm sure he say, yo, godfather, no matter what. You are my idol.
Yeah.
So going on my knee and show you, say, I respect you. I show you how much I rate you and respect you and adore you. And just know, say, yeah, the king of dancehall. Like how me the king of dancehall in a Ghana. You get to me I deal with? Yes. And nothing where people are say him wrong or anything or nothing at all. No. The people in Jamaica love it.
Yeah.
The people in Jamaica love it. And them respect it. You get to me, I deal with son or nothing, man. I don't know anything where it's like any disrespect or nothing at all.
It's
Shatta Wale, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, youth, and big up Stone Boy same way, I don't know. But that's a dancehall state, you have to have a competitive arena, it's very competitive. So you have to understand it. You hear my boss? So I know nothing well, no disrespect or anything at all. The people in Jamaica love Shatta Wale. They say, go Shatta Wale, go.
MC Nafi.
Yo.
MC Nafi.
Yo.
Yeah, it's been wonderful talking to you, and hopefully we get to see you in Ghana sometime soon.
Man.
Yeah, when exactly should we expect you in Ghana? When exactly?
Soon. I can't tell you the date now or nothing.
Yeah.
I know so the price is high enough, so you know the promoter have to deal with it.
Max FM.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's been great hanging out with you. It's been great hanging out with you on Max FM. There's a Max Drive on Max FM, Max H9. Yeah.
Max FM, I def them. Yo, when you hear Max FM, you know them are the boss. Yo.
Blessings.
Yo.
Blessings. Thank you so much, MC Nafi. Thank you. Blessings. And therefore, my name MC Nafi and I Chuchen Komosisiano during the concert in Jamaica, a bra Shatta Wale, a call a Jamaica, a Kokaya Vybz Kartel, who arguably the dancehall king of the world, Vybz Kartel, Shatta Wale Kokan want to perform here. MC Nano stage, so MC Nafi, on and that Yenene Chuchen Komosisia. Now, Ochente say the Jamaica, dear, Udura, Obia se Shatta Wale, Baron Chese, Omo Philly Stone Boy. Was this Stone Boy so good? Now, at the moment, dear, Shatta Wale, dear, no, dear, airbo. No more shame, Shatta Wale, and Chobesamba, Jamaica. Now, Jamaica, for the J, a dance on no pass. Now, on.
She